Hi, my name's Jay. I've been with the company since 2009. When you join the app family, you begin a new career. It's not just a delivery job. Our installers train how to move all our product, then complete installation to the customer's satisfaction. We transform their home into an app home. If you have a background or even a strong interest in construction, carpentry, remodeling, electric, plumbing, mechanics, or just like working with your hands, this is the right career for you. You'll be trained in every part of the process, from delivery to complete installation. You're guaranteed work all year round, use of the company trucks, and all the necessary parts for you to complete your projects. Plus, the potential for frequent performance-based raise increases, 401k, paid benefits, medical, dental, and the opportunity to make daily bonuses. Not to mention the use of app's fully equipped private gym right here on site, including a racquetball and basketball court. These are some of the reasons why guys have been here 20, 30, even 40 years. Come see why app's the right career for you.